welcome back to the Good Builder Weekly Wrap here on YouTube. If you're new here, this is where we cut through all the noise, give you the key updates that matter to builders, trades, and suppliers around Australia. So I reckon we get into it. Story number one, a very cool story about the launch of the Sustainable Foundations Group in Australia. This week, we saw a very important launch of a great group, the Sustainable Foundations Group, a national working group led by Mark Noyce, Jim Pryor, and Tony Malone that is looking to reduce the environmental impact about the way we pour slabs here in Australia. They're targeting waste-heavy systems like waffle pods, which have been used in hundreds of thousands of homes since the 1980s. But here's the kicker. When those homes get demolished eventually, we're going to have a real problem with contaminated landfill. Our take is the industry needs to get serious about end-of-life impact. What we pour today becomes a massive problem tomorrow. And we reckon this group is laying the groundwork for smarter, cleaner slab systems that'll be better for clients, councils, and the country. Now, story number two. See what's being built, knocked down, right in your neighbourhood for free. We stumbled upon this cool little platform called planningalerts.org.au, which is a dead simple tool that lets you see every development application lodged near any address in Australia. It's built by a tiny not-for-profit, not the government, and it scrapes council websites daily to give you real-time updates about what's coming down the pipeline. Our take on this one is builders and sales teams should be across this, especially if you're chasing down knockdown rebuilds and infill sites. It's a great way to spot activity before it hits the market, and best of all, it's free. Story number three. Queensland new housing code is up for debate. The draft Queensland housing code is out, and it's set to reshape how detached homes on small lots are designed and approved. The government is calling for feedback, but if builders don't speak up now, you could be stuck designing around new rules you didn't help shape. Our take on this one is, get in by July 31. We've run an article on the site, and we've got links to where you can have your say and go and have it. Now, last story number four. We put out an opinion piece about we're building, but the system's broken. It's one of our most read articles this week, and we explored the harsh truth that Australian builders are delivering homes. And when you look at it per capita compared to the rest of the world, we are very productive, and in fact, the third most productive country. Our biggest take on this is we're not short on capable builders. We're short on support, speed, and systems that keep pace. And unless this changes, we'll keep bleeding out time and trust. So the government's got to step in and help us out. That's your weekly wrap for this week. If you're loving the content, please make sure to subscribe and share it with someone in the trade who needs to stay sharp. And as always, if you've got something to say, get in touch. Thanks again, guys.